Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace a battery on a BMW E61 Wagon 5 Series Wagon, and how to do that without programming. We have the device to program it in case we screw up, but we'll show you how to do it without needing to program it, what you need to do. Otherwise you have to go to the dealer if you don't have the tool, and it's gonna cost you at least 100 to 250 bucks. What we are going to do now, guys, we are going to disassemble on the back until we reach the battery. Okay, so we're gonna open the trunk now, and let's go ahead and find the battery in that thing. Okay, it should be in the right corner there. So if we remove that right there, okay, the battery should be underneath. You can see all the cables there. Most likely there is a battery there. So with a Phillips screwdriver, there is a screw there that we will need to remove. We'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, like that. And let's see what else we have. Here we'll need to lift this one up like that, and looks like there is two nuts with a 10mm socket that we'll need to take care of there. Okay, one more there. And now let's see how we're going to remove all that now. Somehow it needs to come out. Okay, it folds like that, and it comes out. You can see that plastic piece. Careful not to lose the plastic nuts. Okay, and after that, that's the battery, guys. Right here you can see this one is a 2013 model battery, which is not the newest one. Probably it's about 4 years old as of right now. That's why it's not working right. Made in Germany. It's original BMW battery for this thing. So we have a 13mm socket now, and there is a bolt right there for the bracket that holds the battery down. It's pretty big batteries in those Beamers. And one towards the back. We have many videos, guys. Please subscribe, help us grow that channel so we can make more helpful videos. And check out World Mechanics, guys. That's our first channel, which is growing pretty fast. Okay, the bracket came out of there now. Now there is one mount that keeps the battery down. Okay, you can see that long bolt there. It's a little bit dirty. So we're gonna take it off like that with a 10mm socket, and it should come out with the... Okay, we dropped the mount there inside, so we're gonna get it in a little bit. Okay, you can see battery is loose now. So stay with us now. That's the important thing, what we need to do in order not to give any error codes, and you need to go to the dealer for resetting everything. Okay guys, so the trick now is to provide a 12 volt, at least 12 volt, 12 to 13 volts power supply to the car while we are removing the battery. What we're going to do, you can use another car with jumper cables, or another battery with jumper cables, which will work really good. But we have that thing which is pretty much the same as a battery. Okay, it's a 12 volt system, and we're going to hook it up to where you jump start your car. Okay, turn it on like that. This way it will provide 12 volts while we are removing the battery. That way it will not register any codes, any problems inside. And now we're going to go ahead and remove those, and it's a little bit of a mess there now. We need to open that cap there. Okay, you can see that little cap, and there is a bolt with a 10mm, a nut. Take it loose, probably not all the way off. We did take it off all the way. but we're gonna install it later. And you can pull the positive out. It's very, very important now not to touch the positive and negative cable, otherwise you can fry something. We have a video on World Mechanics, what happens if you jump start your car the wrong way. It's one of the best watched videos, guys, check it out, sparks flying everywhere. Okay, that's now the negative cable. See if we can pull that thing out, and it's stuck a little bit. If you wiggle it, it will come out of there eventually. Okay, right there, negative here. I'm gonna hold this one while one person is pulling the battery out, which is very heavy by the way. And it comes out only probably in one specific way. Okay, right there now. We just need to pick it out of here. Okay guys, and this is the battery right here. Duralast Gold, maximum power, made in Germany. So we're gonna install the new one now. Make sure guys you don't touch the positive anywhere on the body, metal piece, something like that, because it's going to burn something up, remember again. So that's the battery that we have, a replacement battery out of another car that we're going to install now here. Okay, it got in right there. And what we need to do next, we need to connect the negative cable and after that the positive cable. Okay, got the negative there. Now we have the positive cable that we need to connect. And we need to get those tight now. Okay, got them tight now. We're going to install that mount here, the bracket and the one on the bottom, and we're going to turn the jumper device off or remove the jumper cables if you use jumper cables for that procedure. So this one, it goes like that. It's a little bit inconvenient and you might drop it, to be honest with you. So you need to make sure that you have that retainer there that's keeping it from going down. Okay, like that. And this helps a lot because it will not be moving everywhere, and you just need to find the spot and get it tight so it holds the battery in place. Okay, got it there now. And all we need is that bracket here with the two bolts, 13mm bolts that it attaches. Don't forget to install it. It's pretty simple, and we're gonna go actually and disconnect our device now. We're gonna see if we have any messages inside. Okay, we just turn it off like that. Okay, we got it now. All we have to do is install the little screw there and stay with us now to see what happens when we start it. Okay, let's get the key now. Key in, start. And no messages at all. We just have a low tire, guys, but nothing like airbag lights, nothing else. You can see the iDrive here. Okay, we just have a low tire pressure, but other than that, everything else is functioning the way it should. So there is absolutely no problems. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, many more videos to come, helpful videos as well. So thank you for your support, it means a lot to us. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.